Did you know that thousands of businesses worldwide are actively hiring virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks, customer support, social media management, and more? If you're looking for a flexible career that can be done from home, virtual assistant training could be your perfect starting point. A virtual assistant, or VA, provides remote support to businesses and entrepreneurs. With the right training, you can learn essential skills such as email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, online research, customer service, and digital communication. Many virtual assistants also specialize in social media management, content creation, and project coordination, increasing their earning potential. Whether you're a student, freelancer, stay-at-home parent, or professional seeking a career change, virtual assistant training can open doors to exciting remote work opportunities. Start building valuable skills today and take the first step toward a flexible and rewarding online career. Visit libm.co.uk